Transform your balcony with modern square pipe railings. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into modern square pipe railing designs that will transform your balcony into a stylish and secure space. Modern square pipe railings offer a sleek, contemporary look. They add a touch of sophistication to any balcony, elevating your home's exterior. First up, minimalist black square pipe railings. This design is perfect for those who love clean lines and a timeless, elegant appearance. For a more industrial chic vibe, consider raw metal square pipes. These railings provide a rugged aesthetic that's both trendy and unique. If you prefer a softer look, white square pipe railings are your best bet. They blend seamlessly with any decor and brighten up your balcony space. Next, explore the beauty of mixed materials. Combining square pipe railings with wooden handrails creates a warm, inviting contrast. For a touch of luxury, opt for stainless steel square pipe railings. They offer durability and a polished finish, ideal for modern homes. Glass panels paired with square pipe railings provide an unobstructed view. This design is perfect if you want to enjoy your surroundings without compromising safety. Customizable square pipe railings allow for creativity. Add intricate patterns or artistic elements to make your balcony truly unique. Powder-coated square pipe railings come in various colors. Choose a hue that complements your home's exterior for a cohesive look. Don't forget about lighting. Integrated LED lights within square pipe railings can enhance the ambience and add a magical touch to your balcony. Thank you for watching. We hope these modern square pipe railing ideas inspire you to elevate your balcony's design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.